Guys, here we are with Matt. Meet Matt. He was the owner of the truck. Now we're at his P30, and this is the new food truck. My La Floritza dream that's probably gonna be happening next few months. Let me show you around. We just got it. We finished everything with the titles and insurance, and he showed me everything that I need to know in the truck. I don't remember half of the buttons that I need to click there, but I think I'm gonna be okay, even if I'm not gonna know how to turn the AC on. We're in Pennsylvania, Mechanicsburg. Next stop, Bristol, PA. Waiting for the oven guy in New Jersey. Then before that, we're gonna cut this door. We're gonna lower this lift. We're gonna cut bigger clearance, like we're gonna move the door in, cut it. Bring the forklift guy, put the oven inside. I don't know, it's like 3,000 pounds or something. And gonna start driving back home to Florida. Only 1,100 miles way home. We got the temporary registration, we got the insurance, so we're good to go. Guys, I don't know. We'll see you probably next time when I'm gonna be cutting the door at Bristol. So this is one of the dream come true people in my life. So that's I'm gonna have is probably something connected to the pizza toppings with his name. It's gonna be the Metal Truck Pizza section. So stay tuned, guys.
The Toolman Deluxe Pizza.
Yeah. And if you're in Bristol, if you're in Mechanicsburg, PA, and you are looking for tools,
Gear Wrench.
Milwaukee is opening a new franchise, and call him, find him online, and just get his tools. Believe me, guys, you're not gonna find more honest person than this guy. And I hope that I'm not gonna be talking to you in Virginia when I'm stuck with this truck.
At least make it to North Carolina.
Yeah. All right, guys. Thank you. See you soon. We're doing it. That's how you're doing it, Eric. You brought me to the water. You show me what I need to drink, and hopefully I'm gonna drink it safely right now all the way to Florida.